Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to record guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on split screen on Realme phone device and how to use it. Friends, you want to on your split screen settings of how to on split screen in this video friends. I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Realme phone. So friends, click on Realme phone tool setting. After on tool setting friends, you can use here gesture navigation setting. Friends, you want to use, you can use from here. Friends, you want to take a screenshot with three finger. Friends, you want to use your touch and hold with three finger to take a screenshot, so you can on from here. And friends, you can take a screenshot with your power button and volume down button also. Friends, we'll click on split screen setting. Split screen setting is off, so we will on it. After on friends, come back and friends, you can see we can find split screen on Realme phone. Example guys, I will on YouTube app, and friends, you can use your split screen with three fingers. Swipe here, screen will split, and friends, you can use one more screen on your device. Example guys, I will on Google app. So friends, you can see with YouTube app friends, we can use Google app also. So friends, we can use dual screen on Realme phone device. As you can see, we can use dual screen on Realme phone. So like that friends, we can use split screen setting on our Realme phone device and we can use it. And friends, you want to increase this screen, so you can increase and you can adjust the screen also. So I will back, I will remove my screen. And friends, you don't want to use the split screen setting, so friends, click on phone again tool setting guys. Friends, click on split screen setting and guys we will off it. After off friends, you can see guys we cannot use split screen on Realme phone device. So friends, you want to on, you want to use, so you will have to on again from here, and friends on your swipe with three finger also. Friends, now you can use your split screen setting on your Realme phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use split screen setting on Realme phone device. Friends, now do you have any doubt on your device? So friends, you can ask me in comment section friends. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.